Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to use Luxeveria Eye Lifting Cream. So you might be wondering, what is this Luxeveria Eye Lifting Cream that you may be hearing or seeing online? So this one's a lightweight under eye foundation, basically meant to smooth and brighten the area so your eyes look more awake and lifted for the day. Now, it comes with its own applicator brush built in for blending. Now, ingredients wise here includes water, glycerin, mineral oil, glycerol stearate here, and hexanediol, and triethanolamine, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, carbomer, and fragrance. So currently it weighs around 20 grams. Now using it is pretty straightforward. So you just apply a small amount of under the eyes and blend it out evenly for your everyday makeup routine, using the included brush to help it go on smoothly. Now, a few practical notes here from their site. Now, they process orders within 2 business days and typically arrives in 7 to 15 business days, depending on where you are. Faster for US, UK, Australia, and New Zealand region. Longer for places like Hawaii, Alaska, or more remote territories. Now, standard shipping runs at around 7.99 Australian dollars. Express is around like $15.98 Australian dollars, and it's free over purchases over 62 Australian dollars. Now, on the pricing side here, well, it's currently listed at around $108.99, marked down to the $53.99 right now. Now, though, it does show as out of stock as of this moment, so there's a 30-day satisfaction guarantee, but worth knowing the fine print here. So if you use a refund under that satisfaction guarantee, there's a 15% processing or handling fee taken out, and your original shipping cost isn't refunded either. So if you just want to basically return something unopened because you change your mind, now that's a separate cleaner process. So you've got like 14 days for that, and they'll send you a prepaid return label, though you do cover the return shipping cost yourself. Now, one more thing worth knowing here is their site specifically says they only sell through their website and warns that any other site claiming to sell this product isn't authorized. So if you spot it somewhere else, you may want to double check it against their own website or guide here before buying. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.